Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect FundingPips to MetaTrader 5. Now the first thing I want you to do is just come to the top left, click on File, click on Open an Account, and as you can see these are all the different, companies I have connected. So here just type in FundingPips, just like that, okay? And you'll get FundingPips Corp and FundingPips Corp too. Choose this one, FundingPips Corp. This is the correct one. It's by FundingPips, okay? As you can see, this is the URL as well. And then click on Next. And then you can either open a real account for live trading, or if you already have an existing account, trading account from the website, just go to your dashboard, get your login and password, and you choose the server. So it's either the real server or a demo one. In this case, it's just the real one. And then you just click here on Finish, and you would basically connect, okay? And it would show up here as well. Really that easy. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.